Join me today as we learn to identify morel mushrooms, how to make perfectly fried fresh morels, and I also show you a delicious recipe, my own homemade morel mushroom quiche. Here we have some members of the Morel genus. You'll notice they're all hollow, they're all cut in half, cap and stem. They're an ascomycete fungus, meaning a cup fungus. Where are the cups? Well, these are the cups, these ridges. And as they spread apart, when the morel ages, you can see that better. And that surface of that cup is where the spores are ejected from via water pressure. So they get about an inch or so away from the morel into the wind instead of just dropping down via gravity. This whole structure inside here, that's the stem. That's stem. And these cups are fused to that. That's how you know you have a morel. It's hollow with the cap fused onto this huge hollow opening of the stem. It has pits, not wavy ridges or anything like that. There's no tissue inside. There's nothing in here. It's hollow. That's a true morel. Knock your butter up and throw your morels in. Season and cook well. Here's some morels we're going to fry up in Drake's crispy, while the other ones saute. Cut these in half. Mix that around, coat them good, salt and pepper, fry them up, butter and oil. Yum. Get butter melt, oil get hot, fry these babies up.
Oh, yeah.
Crispy and delicious. You want it. So here's the delicious fried morels. We're waiting on the pie crust to get done, and then we're going to pour our quiche and have that cooking as well. Oh, it smells super, super good. Oh, I'm getting high off the morels. Yeah. Tattooed Granny about to taste deliciousness. Morels. Morels are delicious. Butter, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic, onion, minced garlic. Cook it up. The morels, add it to the quiche. Yummy. Get that cooked up good, then we'll mince it and make a layer in the bottom of our creamy quiche with many cheeses. Pre-bake pie crusts, 20 minutes. Blend this up. So you still want it chunky with some puree. And you're going to add eggs, cheese, put it in the pie crusts. We got feta cheese, sharp cheddar, Italian blend. Put some in. Mix that all up real nice. Fine, okay. Cheese and eggs combined into our creamy morel mixture. Oh, that's going to be good. Oh, yeah. Get a nice bunch of garden chives, mince them up. Half in the quiche mixture, save half, reserve it to garnish on top. Okay, take the crust out before they get too brown. And start scooping the mixture into them. Okay, 2 with crusts. 2 with crusts, 1 crustless. Crustless Morel quiche. Yummy.